Hi YouTubers! So, we haven't brought our van, but we have got my sister's van, and we'll do a tour of that. And we're in Cosgrove Park. So we'll have a quick view of the campsite as well. But so far it looks gorgeous, huge, absolutely massive. So this is my sister. Hello. And this is her van. What do you call your van?
Lizzie.
Lizzie, and we're going to have a quick tour of the van. Take us in then, Alison.
So this is the van. It's a Swift Royal, that's why it's called Lizzie, because it's a Royal. 4 beds, double bed up above the...
Oh, up here. This is now a storage area.
Keep all my bedding and things. Bathroom cupboard.
Rear lounge design.
Rear lounge, comes into a double bed. That's what we like, rear lounge.
How long you had Lizzie?
12 years.
Wow.
Very old, but she's reliable. Passes MOT every year.
You alright, rub it in?
Love it. Well, maybe not every year.
And on Will's handy, he probably spends most of the time. Plenty of storage.
Lots of storage.
That's a good thing about these old vans.
Royal 610.
It's a storage, and then you've got your little kind of TV area, drinks cabinet, which I really miss. Storage cupboard in here. I'm guessing the gas cooker, the gas heater doesn't work. They never really do.
Of course it works.
Do they?
Yes. Gas fire works.
Alright, show off.
Cooker works. Fridge works.
On gas as well as electric. Alright, so it's a bit of a van. Now the bathroom, you can actually use for the bathroom. We'll show you the size of the bathroom. And when you compare it to Millie, you can actually use the toilet. And the heating goes into the bathroom as well. So this is a touring pitch, quite some size, and then majority of the whole camp is really static caravans, but the touring pitch is quite some size and nice and spacious, and you know, you've got rivers and lakes all the way around. So we'll go and check out the facilities as well. So standard facilities, but you know, very clean. No shower curtains for people that seem to want shower curtains, but there is none. But in fair size, but nowhere to really put your clothes on. So what you'd have to do is hang your clothes up here and then go into the shower, which I kind of like a step or a bench, but there's no benches in the showers, and there's only 4 showers for the touring part of the campsite. But it's clean, it's functional, and it's mainly designed for static caravans, this camp anyway. But yeah, it's okay, it's not too bad, and you know, it's clean. Time. My older sister looks after me. She's feeding me, we've got juice. you had a nice day, Jess?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. It's kind of nice to come in to see someone else's van for a change. And Cosgrove campsite is amazing. So much to do. Parks, swimming pool. You see, I've caught the sun. Facilities is okay, as you would expect, but you know, CAF's really nice. Everything is spotless. Huge area, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So if you're in the area, highly recommend the Cosgrove campsite. And it's cool hanging out with my sister, my brother-in-law, my daughter, and Jess is all right, I guess.
My future wife.
My future wife. Don't tell her that. She'll stop making an effort. Catch you later, you chewers.